In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your online store by editing the code to create special offers using a bit of HTML magic. Let's dive right in and get started with making some impactful changes to your website. First things first, you need to navigate to your homepage. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Online Store. Clicking on this will expand some additional options for you to delve into. You should see an ellipsis or a three-dot menu icon. That's your gateway to editing the code. Give it a click, and you'll find yourself in the code editing section. When you land in the Liquid Theme Editor, you're in the right place to begin tweaking and personalizing your store's appearance and functionality. This is where all the magic happens. You have the freedom to edit existing code or even enhance your store with new features by adding HTML code tailored to your specific needs. Don't worry if you're not a coding expert. There are plenty of resources to guide you along the way. Moving on to the next step, head over to your dashboard app. There, you'll want to zero in on the section labeled Gift and Shipping. This is where you can create enticing offers to attract and reward your customers. Once you have it open, look for the option that allows you to create a new offer. Selecting this will set the stage for the exciting enhancements you're about to make. To create a truly engaging and unique offer, you might consider leveraging the power of AI. For instance, tools like ChatGPT can be a fantastic asset here. Let it help you generate a snippet of code, specifically something like a buy button code. This snippet can then be seamlessly integrated into your Liquid form. Simply copy the code generated for you, navigate back to your code editor, and find the appropriate place to paste it in. Now, the most crucial step, don't forget to save your work. After pasting the code into your theme's Liquid file, hit Save. This action commits all your hard work and ensures that the changes you made are live and ready for your customers to interact with. By following these steps, you've not only customized your store's code, enhancing its functionality, but you've also added a unique offer that can help boost sales. It's a satisfying way to see immediate results, and your customers will appreciate the thoughtful, personalized touch you've added to their shopping experience. Make sure to preview your changes to ensure everything looks and works as you intended. Remember, when you're confident with code adjustments, the possibilities for customization are virtually endless. Thank you for following along, and happy coding!